Yeah. Oh, cute.
Show these man the foots.
We're gonna enjoy the car a little bit. No, I didn't expect that. Nah, I didn't expect that. Wait, let me put this in park. I didn't expect that. Wait. What the fuck? I did not expect that. Okay, look at this. Bro, I can't, bro, my ears are hurting. I thought he was gonna make some pops, but no. but no. That's loud as fuck.
It's got close, close.
Bro, I got close because I didn't expect it. Then I went, that's crazy. It's fucking gearbox, bro.
Five minutes later.
Oh my days, this is crazy. Let me park here. That is loud. And look again. Fucking hell. Hello boy. What's up?
Hello guys, my name is Alex and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to present you the Edition 35 GTR.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do.
And we are gonna do a POV on this one because it's a really nice car, and it's a Volkswagen, something that we like and we have. Right now we are in an RV zone, so we have to stick to the speed and there's a lot of traffic. We are just gonna drive to drop the car to my friend because Aldo's had this car for about 1 or 2 weeks. If you remember Jeans, I mean actually you have seen Jeans on the channel before, on the Nürburgring, and actually even before than that. But yeah, we're gonna drop the car to him, and on the way to him we're gonna enjoy the car a little bit because it's an Edition 35, so why not? We're gonna enjoy the car a little bit. It's me, bro, talking to the camera. This is a pain. By the time I'm gonna get out of here, you're gonna be at Jeans' house. I want to go as well. Oh. All right. I like the sound of it. Wait. Nice. Right. Nice. Bro, what the fuck is going on today? Woo! That's a mad one. Look at, oh my days. Woo! Oh my days, that sounded sick. Shit. Shit, 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 shit. Motorbike, what the fuck is this? What the fuck? London is different. For London you need to have some special nerves. Here. The brakes! Woohoo, the brakes! Dickhead behavior. Dickhead behavior, don't do that. Whoa, that is bad. Oh my days, look at that shit. Hopefully the drop is not that bad. What? Bravo, what the fuck is going on? Yeah, that's sick. Oh, another one, man. No way. Another one. Let's go. I don't know, man. I like it. I would like to drive that one. That one. Once I'll convince him to let me drive it, and then we're gonna go for a nice proper spin. The brakes are so good on this. I can't lie, the brakes are really good. But I don't understand why he didn't do the fart shift on mine. Maybe because of the, maybe he has AMAX, so when I go full kick down he won't do it. I'm not sure, I need to check with jeans. Vroom, 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 vroom. Does feel very smooth. I don't know, I would like to drive this one around the truck. This feels very nice and smooth. Let's see, let's hear it. Yeah. That's nice. That's very nice. Yeah, we know, it's nice. Driving around it. And plus with less cameras, less speeding traps. Oh, I feel like this is gonna be a... Yeah. Oh, yeah. You can't feel the speed in this car. You can't really feel it because I don't know, it's so linear. It doesn't feel that aggressive. Woo! Now he actually did a spin. Spin the wheels, yeah, finally. I need to take the windows down. Yeah, this one sounds nice, man. Yeah, I want to hear that. Oh, I bet he can't wait to do that. Do it, bro, do it. Yeah, that's what he's waiting for. That's what he's waiting for. Yeah, bro, I can smell the dickhead. I can smell everything. people hate us. You and your cheap Volkswagens, go back to your ends. Sound effects. Fake it. Be excited.
Hey, what are you saying, Alex? You want to see some German fucking shit? Let's show you this German shit, bro. Hey, this is a present from Germany. Come on.
That's the fucking third time we tried it.
Top Frauen.
Bro, I'm gonna need to blur that shit.
Get the blur the whole page.
You get banned, didn't it?
At the traffic light, you connected to my finger. I was like, no, he's gonna put his bullshit music.
I was trying to listen to my own music in my car and I was like, why the fuck can't I hear my music? It kept pausing. I was like, huh? Oh, sorry, you should have seen what happened to us when we left Alex's house. Bro, this woman just walked into the middle of the road and almost got hit by 2 cars.
Bro, that was...
She wasn't even faced, she just kept walking.
Some bot. Where that car just come from? Go left there.
Yeah, she was proper on NPC mode.
The copyright, come in. It's like, why are you in a hurry, brother?
He's in his own world, this guy. Conor McGregor. Bro, chat. Conor McGregor. Saying, show these man the foots. Fuck it, go straight in.
Bro, can you send me the video?
Or what, the crash?
Yes. Okay.
Why are you coming fast? Why are you crashing fast? I was moving like Fardy, innit?
You okay? You okay?
Now that's a lot of damage.
Wow,
I think he just didn't stop.
Back just locked
I saw his back wheels. I was right behind him when it happened. Yeah, back wheel. It's here, stuck there. There. Whoa, Jesus! Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Fucking turn it off!
Are you gonna let me?
Fucking boss him out there, bro. Tell him you got a GTI in it, bro.
Edition
I
35.
got GTI in it, bro. You know what I mean?
Bro, please send me the video of him crashing.
Yeah, send it.
I went on a date here once.
Swear down, what picnic?
Yeah, little
Picnic.
Oh shit, sorry guys. He's blind. I take Aldo's eyes.
4 eyes. That's literally my cousin's nickname. 4 eyes. So you wanna do that left?
Guarantee this now.
VW, isn't it?
Here's the big dump door.
Yeah, this one feels very fast.
So fresh.
That's fucking Josh.
Oh, is that your friend?
Oh.
Yeah, he's gonna floor it now. That you won't get smoked.
These houses.
Bro, this is bread. I need to win good money from YouTube. I need to be the second Matt Armstrong
I think
to
even if
be
you did, you'd still be saving up a bit.
like, if I was on Matt Armstrong level, I could probably buy this shit.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. Baruda.
Barracuda.
But don't forget, if you live here, there's no little A10 to quickly do a spin.
Oh yeah.
No.
There's no.
I'll drive all the way through there from it.
Yeah. It's so mad how that reverse camera's installed yet no one uses.
Oh, because I'm not used to cameras.
Yeah.
And plus I can't see the curb in the camera. I only trust the mirrors.
I'm like,
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Yeah.
Conor McGregor. Bro, chat.